Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. You may remember last time we were here, it was just a mess. You may recall we took down this wall. There was just a huge wall here separating my kitchen from my dining room. So that is gone. It's always fascinating what you find when you demo. So the flooring here, apparently, there were some cabinets here, and apparently there was no flooring under those cabinets before it was put in. So we got this big gap in the flooring. You will notice all of the tile backsplash is gone, and the wall has been prepared to put in new tile. So this is kind of where we are now. So everything is stripped down, ready for an entire makeover. My house is vacant. Everything is out of the dining room, the living area. It's just stripped down, ready for the flooring guys to come in, aside from a couple of pieces of furniture. We've already picked out some tile. We're gonna be picking out quartz countertops, picking out new appliances. We've got a cool island being built. Everything's really coming together, so stay tuned. I can't wait to show you step by step as things happen.